In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Slack. If you've sent a message by mistake, posted it in the wrong channel, or just want to clean up a conversation, Slack makes it pretty simple to remove it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect so you can delete a message quickly and confidently. To begin, open Slack and go to the conversation or channel where the message is located. Once you find the message you want to remove, move your cursor over it so the message actions appear. You're looking for the three-dot menu, which is sometimes called the More Actions menu. Click on the three dots to open the list of available options for that message. This menu gives you access to extra actions related to the message, and one of those actions is the option to delete it. After the menu opens, look for Delete Message and click on it. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct message, especially if several messages in the conversation look similar or were sent close together. After you click Delete Message, Slack will show a confirmation prompt. This is a final check to help prevent accidental deletion. If you're sure you want to remove the message, click Delete to confirm. Once you do that, the message will be removed from the conversation. Keep in mind that deleting a message is usually permanent, so it's a good idea to pause for a second before confirming. If the message contains something you may want later, consider copying the text somewhere safe before deleting it. Also, depending on your workspace settings, message deletion permissions may vary. In some Slack workspaces, you may only be able to delete your own messages, while in others, admins may control whether deletion is allowed at all. So if you don't see the delete option, that may be due to your workspace permissions rather than an issue with Slack itself. And that's all it takes. Just find the message, click the three-dot menu, select Delete Message, and then click Delete to confirm. It's a fast and straightforward process once you know where the option lives. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Slack messages more easily.